Hello, my friends. It's Coach Vigue, and welcome to a very beginner Pilates abs workout. This is Pilates mat, so no equipment and no weights of any kind. I want to help you take away the fear of Pilates. All right, without further ado, make sure you spread this video around, invite people to join you, and I'll see you on the mat in 2 and 2. All right, these are the building blocks of a successful Pilates training program. Breathing in the nose and out the mouth. Always use control, and say it with me, everybody. Modify as needed. Oh, just music to the ears. Okay, my friends, let's bring it on to our backs. Modify at any time. You can put a pillow behind your head or a towel, or a pillow and a towel if you're feeling, Okay, down we go onto our backs. Chin is slightly tucked. We're gonna bring the feet flat right here. Pilates works from your core outward, your abdominals, lower back, hips, and glutes. This is the center of your strength. Everything we do is anchored right there, and so are the gnats flying around my face. All right, shoulders back and down. Now let's bring that right knee, draw it in towards the chest with the exhale. Exhale through the mouth, inhale through the nose. Now, inhale, set that foot back down. The lower back is anchored into the floor. It's imprinted. And then we take the left leg, stabilizing from our center and building delicious strength and flexibility. And hopefully a lifelong love of your Pilates practice. Head can be down or head and shoulders off the mat. It's all body weight, so you make it work for you. Pilates will meet you wherever you are. And there goes Addie into the bushes. Again, they have an allure. Let's do 4 more. Exhale through the mouth, inhale through the nose. Pull in nice and easy, getting some movement happening in the hips, in the glutes, in the low back. All right, now tips of the toes are on the mat, head is down, arms out, wherever you like them. Windshield wipers at your own pace. We exhale, drop to the side, feel that twist and that stretch all the way down the spine. Inhale, center, exhale, drop to the other side. A fantastic exercise to open up the low back, to open up the sides, and of course your rotational integrity. I like that word. Let's do 2 more times each side. Exhale, 1, 2. Very basic, very beginner, but once you incorporate these movements into yourself, into your body elevates. It starts to program itself to become stronger and more flexible in real time. All right, bring it back up. Head can be down or head and shoulders off the mat. We're going to take this leg down now. You can always place that foot flat. Exhale, draw the right knee in and slide it down. This is a modified version of single leg stretch. Working the abdominals, working the core. Remember, your head can be down. Did I say that? Yeah. I want you to be comfortable enough to excel in the workout. You got to release into it. And then it happens. Addie's chewing on a tree. 2 more times each side. Exhale, bring it in. Inhale, switch. Nice stretch in the hips. And pull. Again, windshield wipers, if you like, extend the top leg a little further than the bottom. Your Pilates practice can be done anytime during the day, morning, afternoon, evening, middle of the night. I get that question a lot. When's the best time? Like, well, when do you want to do it? That's up to you. What's the best time? All right, 1 more time each side. I just got a nice cavitation in the spine. Oh, your movement ability, movement integrity. All right, tabletop position. We're gonna bring the legs up, knees at the same height, feet together, head can be down, or head and shoulders off the mat, activating the abdominals. Fingers here, or arms to the sides. Hold this posture, add a little bit of powerful movement. With your exhale, the abs are going to compress, they're gonna shorten, and you're gonna lift a little bit. As you inhale, you're going to come back ever so slightly. Develop that control over your body. You're the only one who can do these movements. You could have a team around you moving your arms and legs, wouldn't work. You do it and embrace those beautiful Pilates benefits. Let's do 2 more breaths. Even if your head's down, you're squeezing the abs and then releasing them. One more time. Ooh, a lot of blood there. What am I saying? Maybe it's been a long time since that has happened. Getting all that blood into the abdominals. By the way, windshield wipers, once again, top leg extended if you wish. Too good not to do. Oh, excellent. All right, one more time to the side. Now we've already built our way up to full single leg stretch. You could always bring the feet flat again or extend the leg down like we did before. If not, head up or down, bring the right knee in. This left leg is going to extend out, keeping a sliver of softness in the knee. A mere sliver, my friends. Exhale, draw the knee in. Now stabilizing from your center. Inhale, switch. There's the anchor right there. Exhale, pull, extending through the hip flexor, drawing in here. Inhale, exhale. Fingers gently on the knee, or you can, what is that? There we are. We place the right hand on the outside, left hand on the inside. So right hand inside, left hand outside. Classic Pilates posture. Inhale, exhale. In the nose, out the mouth. Fill and empty the lungs. Fantastic. One more time, each leg. Beautiful. Now head down, draw the knees in, hands here, or wrap the arms around, whatever is comfortable. We're going to rock side to side. Stretching your low back, breathing into the low back. A lot of flexibility and mobility with Pilates. It is impossible to do Pilates and not experience great flexibility and mobility gains. 2 more breaths. And then we're going to throw in the big extra credit exercise here. It's optional. Work your way up. Remember, these are the building blocks, the foundation of your practice. Getting the breath, the movement, the core stabilization. Now you can go back to single leg stretch, whatever option, or extend this leg up. Lace the fingers on the back of the leg, the hamstring here. Exhale, we pull the leg towards you. Inhale, switch. Take it slow so it's a smooth, controlled movement. Always flowing in Pilates. And then the Pilates attitude, that flowing discipline, will enhance every other kind of movement you do. Inhale, exhale, getting some nice stretch on the back of the leg into the glutes. Is this helping? Are you feeling this? Is this having an immediate impact? Let me know in the comments below. And always think of someone who desperately needs this kind of exercise and show them. Better yet, do it with them. All right, one more time each side. We pull, inhale, switch, exhale, pull. Beautiful. Finish off with windshield wipers, 2 reps to each side. Extending the leg as you wish. You could do 100 of these. You could pause and hold the stretch. All right, my friends. Beautiful work. Thanks for training with me, Coach Vigue. This is a beginner Pilates with an abs emphasis. Thanks so much, everybody. If this video helped, please click the like button. Don't be afraid to push the subscribe button, and always click that notification bell to never miss these kind of workouts. I really appreciate everybody. God bless you, and I'll see you real soon. Oh, real soon, my friends. Click the first link in the comment section to order your copy.